guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I'm doing a tutorial on this look right here. I had posted this picture. I had posted this look on my Instagram and a lot of you guys mentioned that you guys wanted to see it. So that's what I'm doing today. Before we get started, please don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. That's where you guys kind of decide what goes on my channel. So don't forget to go ahead and follow me there. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you guys leave. Don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. And yeah, let's get on with the tutorial.
Okay, so now we're going to start off with some tape. I'm going to tape off my eye just so we get like straight lines. I didn't have any Scotch tape and this is the only tape I can find, so don't judge me. Anyways, going with my Makeup Shack T68 brush and the color Wanderer in my Tartelette palette from Tarte. I'm just going to use that as my transition shade, kind of just trying to build up the color. I kind of want this color to show a lot just because we're not going to use very many shadows in this look. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 511 brush and taking the color Dreamer. Yes, Dreamer. And I'm just going to apply that a little lower than that, just kind of in my crease, and just kind of blending it in together. And I do go back and forth with like the other brush just to kind of blend everything together. And I did add a little bit more product when I was blending it out as well. And then going in with my B.Bella, yes, my B.Bella C209 Chisel Fluff Brush and the color Multitasker. I'm just going to apply that basically just on the lid and I'm just going to smoke that out just to kind of create a little bit of a base and transition color from the liner, just so it's not like a straight up black line. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes using, what is this? The Tarte gel liner. It's the one that's in like a little tube. And I'm just going to go ahead and just line my eyes? Yes, line my eyes. Or what? Just do a wing. Thing I forgot to mention is when placing the tape, I did place it more angled towards my brow. I didn't just kind of angle it towards my ear. I kind of lifted it up even more just because I wanted to kind of open up my eyes, just because it's going to be still really dark once I smoke out the liner. Anyways, okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color Fashionista, and this is, I think, an e.l.f. brush. Yeah, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start patting that black right on top of it. This is honestly one of the darkest blacks I've ever used. That's why I used this palette specifically, just because I like the darkness of this black shadow. And then I'm just going to start to like build it up little by little. I'm not bringing it up too high because I am going to add another color on top of that just to kind of blend those two colors together. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Multitasker and I'm just going to use that to blend out that liner a little bit better, just to kind of create more of a smoky look to it. And then I just go ahead and blend the edges with like my other brushes without adding more product, so once I take off the tape it just looks nice and blended and smoked out. So I am using the same lashes as always, but I was reading your guys' comments when I asked you guys to recommend me some lashes, so I did order some from different brands, so they should be coming in the mail soon. So expect to see different brands of lashes, just so I'm kind of like branching out, so I don't give you guys the same thing over and over again, you know, because that could get a little boring, and you know, that's not me. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. And this one's been my favorite so far, just because my skin has been so crazy and like on another level. I don't know what's going on with my skin so far, but if you guys can recommend me some skincare products, I've never had like an actual skincare routine, so that would be really helpful if you guys can help your girl out, you know, let me know. Anyways, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Maracujá Oil, just because, again, my skin has been so dry. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my face. Okay, so I decided to use a different foundation today, you know, just to kind of test things out. Today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade Latte. I liked it. It gave me pretty good coverage. I had to work with it a little bit just to kind of cover my freckles, not like the Marc Jacob one. I just like this one a little bit better just because it smelled kind of funny. Like, it smelled kind of good. Like, it doesn't smell like foundation though. I don't know, it was weird. I just blended that out with my beauty blender. I was saying something specifically, like I was gonna let you guys know. I don't know. And I think the lady that color matched me in Sephora kind of matched me a little light, I'm not gonna lie. But we made it work. It's okay. We're gonna go ahead and... what are we doing right now? We're gonna conceal everywhere. Underneath my eyes, down my forehead, down my nose. I obviously can't get my nose straight. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my beauty blender. Oh, I remember what I was gonna say. Anyways, okay, so the foundation. I liked it. I liked it because it wasn't as dry as a Marc Jacob, but I like the Marc Jacob just because that one gives me really good coverage and I don't have to work as hard. I just kind of like the finish of this one. I still only tried it like a couple times, so I have to kind of play around with it, and I'll let you guys know how I start to like it or I start to hate it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Okay, so now to set my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the Airspun powder. I'm just going to go all over where I concealed. Okay, so now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl pressed powder, and I'm just going to apply that wherever we didn't apply that Airspun powder. Okay, so now to bronze, I'm going to go in with my Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just going to apply that all on the outer parts of my face just to add a little bit more color back into my face. And then I'm going to go in to contour even further. I'm going to go in with the Japanesque palette. This is, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it just kind of has like a highlight and like a couple different blushes, and I just use the contour powder that's in there. And then I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush. I don't remember the name of it, but I will have it down below. It's just kind of like a bronzy blush, and it kind of has a little shimmer in it, so it kind of looks a little bit more gold and like highlighted a little bit. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, on top of my cheekbones, down my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, all over. We want to be glowing. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with the color Dreamer. No, what is this? Wanderer, sorry. I'm gonna go in the color Wanderer. Oh my gosh, I can't talk right now. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that one color. I'm gonna apply it all down the bottom of my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with the color Dreamer, and I'm gonna keep this towards the outer edge of my eye. I don't want to make the bottom of my eye too dark, just because we still have that dark smoky liner on top. Just kind of keep it a little bit of softness down there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. This one is going to be from NYX. I don't know what the name is, but it's a really good liner. I'll have it down below. And then for the inner corner, I do go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to apply that as a base. And then I go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, but you can go with any like soft, frosty white shade and just put that in the center of your eye. And yeah, just as the inner corner highlight. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX liquid lipstick. No, the NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle. I'm just going to line my lips with that. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to go in with Milani's Bahama Beige, and I'm going to apply that all on top of that. And then I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner gloss in the color So Cute.
Final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. Like I said, that's where you guys kind of decide what you guys want to see on my channel, so don't forget to follow me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. For me this time, darling, about what? These, okay.